Good morning. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I miss you, boys and girls. We're going to do school together again like this week. So you guys keep working hard at home for your families. I know you're doing a good job, okay? So keep it up. Let's start our day. We're going to do our calendar. We're going to do a little bit different today. So instead of reading our days of the week, let's talk about what today is. If yesterday was Monday, then we know that today is what? Our first day to do school together. What is it called? Tuesday. Say Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Hi ho, now you know today is what? Tuesday. Let's spell the word Tuesday. Ready? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Spells Tuesday. Let's hang our word Tuesday on our calendar. Okay. Who remembers the name of our month that we're in? Remember, we are in the month of January. Okay, so let's count our numbers and let's put today's number on the calendar. Okay, yesterday was day 18. I already put it up here for us. Can you see? I know I moved things a little bit, but we're going to do something over here in a minute, so I want you to be able to see that. So let's count and see what number goes on our calendar today. Okay, watch my finger. I'm going to touch these numbers and let me hear you count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What's next? 19. Today is number 19. So look at 19. It's a 1 and a 9. A 1 and a 9 makes number 19. It's going to go on our calendar behind 18 for today. So this tells us we've had 19 days in January. So let's read these words. Today is Tuesday, January the 19th. What year are we in? 2021. That's right. Now we're going to do something different today. I'm going to move over here. Can you see my writing board? Okay. I'm going to move the screen just a little bit so you can see me better. Okay. We're going to start something called daily news. So, daily news is something we're going to write every morning. We're going to write the words that we just read. We're going to write down what we found out today is, okay? So, since it's our first time to do it together today, I want you to watch, pay attention to what I'm doing. As we do this every day, you're going to get good at it and you're going to be able to help me spell some of these words and tell me what letters to write down, okay? So today, let's work on it together. Even when we come back and we're in our classroom together, we're going to do the daily news. So let's start practicing it today, okay? So here's how it works. I'm going to write down these words on our calendar. I'm going to write the word today is Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. Let's write those words down, okay? So the first word I'm going to write is this one right here, today. I'm going to take it off of our calendar so you can see it really good. Okay, I'm going to write this on my paper first. I'm going to write today. So remember, these are two different words. I'm going to cover that one up. We're going to write just this word first. What letter does today start with? That's a T. So I'm going to write a T over here first. Okay, so that's how you make an uppercase T. Remember learning that? What if I move this a little closer? Is that better? That better? Can you see that? Let me fix it. It's hard for you to see on the screen, isn't it? There we go. Okay, next is this letter. What letter am I going to write next? That's an O. Watch my marker. I'm going to write an O next to the T. Okay, now I'm going to write this letter next to spell today. Okay, we're only looking at this word. That's one that we just learned. What is that letter? D. Good, that's a D. Let's write a D. It's a lowercase d. It's a circle with a line. Okay, now I'm on this letter. What's the next letter I'm going to write? A. Good. Watch my marker. I'm going to write an A right here. Good. And then the last letter in the word today is what? A Y. I'm going to write a Y. Watch my marker. Okay, I wrote the word today. See that? Now, I'm going to write the next word. I'm going to write this word right here, is. Only two letters spell the word is. I-S. I'm going to write that word down. Okay? I-S. Now, did I write those same words? I wrote today is. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back on the calendar. I'm gonna move around a little bit today, so I might block your screen for a minute. Oops, that's okay. I'll pick that up in a minute. Now we're gonna write what today is. What did we say today is? Tuesday, okay? Now let's write the word Tuesday, so watch. First I'm gonna write a T, you ready? Uppercase T. Then I'm gonna write a U. Then I'm gonna write an E. Next is an S. There's that letter D again. Then an A. And then Y. Now, did I spell the word Tuesday? Yes, I did. So I'm going to hang this back up. Now, how many words do you see? How many words do you see over here? I see 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, when you put letters together, that makes a word. So these words say today is Tuesday. Is that today? It is, isn't it? Now, let's write the name of our month. Remember, we are in the month of January. So let's take the word January down. Remember what January looks like? First, I'm going to write this letter. What is that letter? Uppercase J, okay? So watch. When you're writing, when you run out of room over there, you have to come over and start on this side. So let's start over here. I'm going to write January. I'm going to write a J and then an A. This is how you learn how to write. You look at the letters and you write down what you see. Next is an N, then a U, then an A, then an R, and last is Y. I wrote the name of our month. What does that word say? January. That's right. Now I have 4 words. Can you read those words? Our words say today is Tuesday, January. Now we're going to put what number today is. What number did we put on our calendar? I'm going to move over here and hang this up while you think about it. What number did we put on our calendar today? Do you remember? Remember this number we just talked about? 19. So I'm going to write number 19 over here on our paper. Okay, remember how to make a 19? It's a 1 and then a 9. So watch. Next I'm going to write, first I'm going to write a 1. And then next I'm going to write a 9. See how I made number 19? Okay. Now I'm going to show you something with my marker. Watch. I'm going to put a little mark here. That's called a comma. Can you say comma? When we're reading, when we see that mark, that means we're going to slow our words down. That's something you'll learn in big school, but we're going to practice it now. Okay? So now look, we have today is Tuesday, January the 19th. All I need to put right there is our year. Think about what year we're in. What year are we in? 2000 and what? 2021, remember? 2021. We're going to write these numbers right here. So I'm going to write a 2, 0, 2, 1. Okay, so watch. I'm going to look at those numbers and copy them down. I'm going to write a 2, then a 0, then a 2, and then a 1 right there. Did I write down the year 2021? Yep, sure did. Let me hang it back on our calendar. Now, I think that's all of the words we need to write. So let's check. Watch my finger. I'm going to touch these words and I'm going to read them. It says today is Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. I wrote our words down, didn't I? This is our daily news. So when I'm finished, I'm going to put a little dot right here. That's called a period. Can you say period? When we're reading books and we're writing words down, periods tell us where to stop. So we're finished writing our words. So I'm going to put a dot there. I'm going to put a period there because that's where we're going to stop. Okay, so look, we just wrote our daily news. We said these words together as we did our calendar, but now I wrote our words down. So think you can read it with me? Let's try one time. I'm going to touch the words and I want you to try to say them with me. Put your eyes on the word I touch. That's how you learn how to read. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. Today is Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. Good job. Did you read with me? I heard some of you reading. Good job. All right. This is daily news. We're going to get better at it. We're going to get faster at it. It took a little while today because it's the first time we've done this together. But now you know what to do. So tomorrow when we have calendar together, we're going to do our calendar And then we're going to write these words down on our daily news, okay? Good job, guys. Thank you for helping me. Check back on your tablet next. We're going to learn a new letter. Do you want to see what it is? Let me scoot over here so I can write it. We're going to learn this letter next. That's the uppercase one. And here is the lowercase one. Can you see that letter? Anybody know what that letter's called? We're going to learn it in just a minute, okay? So check back on your tablet and we're going to talk about this letter. Good work this morning, guys.